I present to you the ALM protocol. ALM over here stands for the Automated Liquidity Manager. What our protocol does is that it takes liquidity from the liquidity providers at arbitrary ratios of native ETH and USDC, and based on some volatility index calculations, it invests that money smartly into the Uniswap P4 native ETH USDC pool using calls made to the pool manager and person manager contracts. How the volatility index is calculated, it's based on the exponentially weighted mean average calculation and it is flash loan protected. The rebalancing is triggered is first of all chainlink-automated and to run in every 5 minutes, and it also runs when a user deposits liquidity or back. It does not invest all the money, but invests about 90% of the total ETH or USDC that it holds. If we go into so how do we interact with the protocol? If we go into the vault for users, providers, they can deposit over there and they can withdraw their shares. I had deposited some shares initially to show that how it works. For example, now if I try to deposit 0.01 ETH and 0 USDC because I do any USDC, we will run a fork test on VS Code to say that this then I have to transact that. I will have to confirm. And you can see that it would update all the states in real time. Currently it held 0.01 ETH, but after the validation it would hold 0.02 ETH. Deposit has been confirmed. And now it holds the shares having I would query my mask again for confirmation and could return the 0.02 ETH that I have deposited. I will click on confirm and it will work. Here. Once it would happen, see all the liquidity has been returned. So in the insight section, what we'll have is it would create a volatility time graph. This volatility calculation has been automated via chainlink nodes. Into the contract so that I can calculate check how the protocol manages with users that provide both ETH and USDC and how it is done. We would run a fork test on the VS Code over here. We would initialize a new console fork test. Sorry, I will have to see. And now on post test. Total liquidity, but now this rebalance distribution works. It basically inputs different amounts so that the price range. And I had told you if liquidity input is only invest 90% liquidity that it has into valuations, like 3 slots. The middle one will have the current price, and the upper and lower will have one greater and one lower than the slots. If we are liquidity into would work. Thank you.